I don't know if anyone can help. Here's my 03 F150 with the 4.6. We replaced fuel pump, crank sensors, cam sensors, plugs, coils, everything we can think of, and occasionally it'll start, run like crap, and other times it just won't start at all. Even after it starts, it won't start back up. This is my first time attempting it in a couple months. Oh, of course, the battery. But sometimes it seems like it's not getting enough fuel pressure, but we put 2 new fuel pumps in it. Oh, come on. Still trying to charge. Just sit there and crank and crank and crank. I was told it could possibly be the ECM, but got 165,000 miles. And when we first got it, if I sat here with the key on for a couple minutes, sit here and crank it over for a while, it eventually started and run great. Then we took it for a drive. It ran great, drove great. Got back home, never started since. Let it sit a couple days, and usually it'd start, but it'd run kind of crappy. She's not going to start now. The battery's going dead. We replaced everything we can think of, and I go online and look, and nothing, it don't really tell me anything, so I didn't know if someone on YouTube can help me identify what could be causing it. It's an 03 with the 4.6 liter. It has no check engine light. And I don't know, we went over everything I can think of, and this is the first time I've ever been stumped on anything. So yeah, if someone can gladly let me know, I'd appreciate it. You know, maybe take the battery out of this other truck. We'll see if that maybe does something. Set you guys down for just a second. Lovely. Okay. Put the damn keys. Okay. have no idea where to even go from now. And yes, it does have a little bit of gas in it. You know, if someone can help me identifying what the cause could be, if maybe someone's had the same issue, please drop a comment and let me know. I'd gladly appreciate it. Thanks for watching.